Yo, dude, we are Locksmith Cambria Heights, New York, giving you a shout out 24 hours a day and night. This ain't your daddy's locksmith service. We do it right. We got the tools, the technology, the locks, and the keys. And if we got the love for all of you in Cambria Heights Queens, in the heart of New York, it's 2:30 in the morning. Even the boozers are sleeping. We's just chilling and waiting by the phone for your call. Put on the coffee, we'll be there soon. We are the rock and rollin' guys in the middle of the night. Call Locksmith Cambria Heights, New York at 347-625-1697 for a 10% discount. Forget about it on your lock fixing job. We really ain't the fools. We take locksmithing very seriously.